Hi, I'm Asia, and today's recipe is a delicious peach and tomato salsa using some of the summer's very best produce. The tomatoes are really high in an antioxidant that's great for our heart health, and the peaches are high in vitamin C as well as fiber. This recipe is super simple. We're going to chop or dice our ingredients based off your preference and mix everything together with a bit of lime juice and a pinch of salt, and it's ready. For today's recipe, you're going to need 2 to 3 chopped peaches, 1 cup of chopped tomato, half a cup each of chopped red bell pepper and red onion, half of a small jalapeno diced, as well as 2 tablespoons of cilantro, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and a pinch of salt. This recipe is great for pairing with a protein of your choice, maybe grilled fish or chicken. It can also be great over tacos or just using the way I will today, which is with some whole grain chips as a snack. Thank you for joining us for this month's cooking video. We look forward to seeing you again next time.